Hello friends, today our topic is garden umbrella. For that we require one origami paper, pencil and eraser. So let's start to make garden umbrella. You have to keep the color paper up, then you have to fold the rectangle shape and you have to give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Then you have to fold from the middle so we will get the square. Again you have to give the crease from both the side like this way and give the crease. Now unfold this. Now we want X side. This is a plus sign. Now we want X side. So we will fold the paper in a triangle shape. So we will get the X sign. Give the crease properly. Now unfold this. Now from another side fold the paper like this way, triangle shape, and give the crease. Now unfold this. Now we got plus sign also and X sign also, and we got 4 square also. Now we have to fold the triangle in each square and give the crease. The same way you have to fold it from here also. Give the crease from here also. Give the crease and from here also. And give the crease. Now unfold this. So we got square also and we have a 4 triangle in corner. So we have to fold the triangle till that square line. Give the crease. Give the crease. Give the crease and give the crease. Now again we have to fold the strip till this line only and we have to give the crease. Again from here also the same steps we are repeating. Till this line we have to fold the paper like this way. From here also and give the crease properly. From here also and give the crease properly. Now unfold everything. So you will receive the lines over here. Now there are 3 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will fold the paper from 3rd line. Then again we have to fold like this paper. Then again we have to fold the paper like this way and give the crease. Now we are repeating the same steps here also. From this line we are folding paper, then we are taking up paper like this way, give the crease, and again we are folding the triangle till this line only and give the crease. The same step, fold the paper, fold the paper, give the crease, again fold the triangle till this line, give the crease. Same steps from here like this way and taking up like this way, and again we are folding the paper like this way. So this is ready. Now we will fold the paper from the middle and we will give the crease. Unfold it. Again we fold from the another side and give the crease. Now we will fold from the slant way and we give the crease from another side also and give the crease. Now we will do the mountain fold here. What we will do, we will keep the paper like this way. See, so our garden umbrella is ready. Our garden umbrella is ready. See this. Can you see this? Now what we have to do, we have to take now eraser. We have to put the pencil nook like this way, and we have to put the garden umbrella on it. So our garden umbrella is ready. Thank you.